Good evening. Mbamwene Wente. My name is Tab. Tab. I dey send this particular message now to Julius Madabio. Julius Madabio, if you feel say for eliminate the political opponent and for send talk them for eliminate them, that na the wrong chapter you don't take. You don't do an SLPP between you and Kande Yunkela, where you feel say na make cause, Togri, for let be the flag bearer, to John Benjamin and others. But in the scenario where you feel say Sam Suman and the political opponent 2023, if a firm will say them for assassinate him, Mother be then at the wrong page. And this is the first message I ever sent to you. My name is Tab at the repeat time. One more attack on Sam Sumana. There is going to be an attack on Julius Madabio. At the repeat time back. One more attack on Sam Sumana is going to be an attack on Julius Madabio. I want to get that. First and foremost, Madabio, you know get talk them. You know get talk them. In the first place, you're a coward. And one thing I want to let you know, and I still establish and say, Madabio, you're a coward. You are a coward. If you're not a coward, you prove to Sierra Leoneans them say you are a president of that country. You are a coward. And that come back, like go to the within surface. The bobo the way if you say, you use a corner. Way if you say them bobo and they matter be deep and using and they say things them, then get commanders them. And as I talk to me now one of the commanders them, we form Corner Force Action Group, we challenge the status quo say we want change of government, we support you 2018 election. But I tell you one thing, Madabio. We let Sam Sumana pass you, me na konoma. I will not do it because we hate Sam. We do it because we want change of system. But one thing we want to follow it, like established to you today. And I know they go further in the explanation. You mediocre the way you use within a corner, including the ministers them. When in fact nobody knows Sabi. And I talk about Tambalamina when nobody knows. In fact, you know you talk corner, you know even go poro, you know Sabi anything. And I talk about the others them, Chakandas. And the other Jamba smoker, I didn't call and say, Tondone, and I talk about them. And they talk about you, Julius Madabio, because first and foremost, you believe in Togri. And I say it's a need tab, a Togri pass you. I want to make the attack we happen to Sas manner in life, in the assassination, let me repeat again. Yep, Julius Madabio. One more attack on Sam Sumana in life is going to be an attack on you, Julius Madabio. Because now based on that make, you remove Sam Sumana in security system, because if it's a political threat, that's what you feel. Say na political threat. If you say no get people name. Now my name Tab. The Tab mean Temwendo here Baba. Mean a born kono picking and are ready for defend kono, are ready for stand for kono, are ready for fight for kono. Anybody will feel say the county sycophancy and mediocrity will be not happen. In the past regimes them, both APC and SLP will feel say they go use kono and dump kono. This time they happen. They happen. We ready as a kono picking them for defend kono. One more attack on Sam Sumana is going to be an attack on you, Julius Madabio, including you talk them where if you see Gana Kono. One more attack on Sam Sumana is going to be an attack on you, Julius Madabio, including you talk them. My name is Tab.